What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike Sieben, and if you're new around here, we like to talk about personal finance, credit, and right now we're on a mini series of selling on Amazon. So this video is going to be all about retail arbitrage. This is the second of 4 videos on the different selling methods on Amazon. So today we're going to teach you how to go into stores, use other people's money to build a business, and to leverage big existing relationship and products that stores like Walmart, Marshalls, Staples, and Home Depot already have, and you can flip these products and you can make money on Amazon. Let's get into it. All right, so RA, or retail arbitrage. What exactly is that? I have a really brief description and I will link back to my Amazon basics video. You can go check that out and get the very basic breakdown of exactly what you do. But I'm gonna go over how exactly the method works, and then I'll go on to what the benefits are of retail arbitrage. So simply put, retail arbitrage is going into a store like Walmart, like Staples, like Home Depot, and you can essentially use your phone to scan products and find products that sell in store for less than they sell for on Amazon. So you can essentially see all of the information that you need right from your phone, right from the Amazon seller app, and make informed choices on whether or not you want to purchase that product and then sell it on Amazon. So what you do is go in, scan a product, find a product that sells for a good margin less than it does on Amazon. Then you're going to go up to the till, you're going to use your credit card, and you're going to purchase that item. And then you're going to go on Amazon, you're going to list the item, and you can either do FBA or FBM. Again, the video that I linked to earlier will tell you the difference between the two. There's some different fees and things like that, but you will make a decision whichever way it is, and then that's how you'll distribute the product to your customer. So then you play the waiting game. Once your customer purchases the product, either Amazon will send it out or you will send it out, and then you basically just pocket the difference that Amazon pays you out between what they pay you and what you bought it for in store. So this model is really good over other models because a lot of the times you can take advantage of things like the clearance section or a lot of sales. So a lot of the time, if you're looking online at these third-party retailers, everybody in the world has access to these online sales in the clearance section and things like that. But there's a lot less people that are going to be selling in places like Amazon that are going to physically get up, go in store and find these deals. So if you have some extra time on your hands, if it's a Saturday afternoon, a Sunday afternoon, you go out and you find a bunch of these items, a bunch of things that you think will do really well on Amazon, and you can find them in a clearance section or a sales section, or maybe they're just marked down for whatever reason, they're discontinued, something like that. Buy up those products, send them into Amazon, and then make the difference. You're basically doing what's called flipping, right? You're buying a product low, and it's like the most old school way. It's the same thing as if you were to go garage sailing, but you're doing this with all brand new products and through the Amazon platform. What are some of the benefits of retail arbitrage over the other methods? I did mention that obviously you have access to the clearance and sales sections. Another big thing is you're able to, again, use other people's money. You can use a credit card to buy these items, list them on Amazon, sell them when you get paid out. You can redo that if you don't want to spend hours and hours searching online and you prefer to go physically in store to find those products. You can do that. This is a great outlet. This is how a lot of people start their Amazon journey, is by doing retail arbitrage. And then you can really just take advantage of all the great deals that are out there. And then two, again, with the credit card rewards, as you use your credit card, you'll get higher limits. You can buy more product, you can list more product, and then you can utilize things like cashback rewards and travel rewards, things like that. And then you gain all these rewards and you can go on a nice trip with your family, or you can get cash back and then you just get a nice credit at the end of the year. You can buy yourself something nice or put that back into your business, whatever you want to do. This is a great outlet for making some extra income. All right, guys, that's all I have for you for retail arbitrage. This was a short one. Let me know down in the comment section what you liked best about this video. If you have additional questions about retail arbitrage, I can answer those for you. And then don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a like. That will help the YouTube algorithm, that'll help my videos, that'll help the channel grow and get out to more people. That's always very important for me, to be able to share the knowledge with as many people as possible. And then 2, don't forget to subscribe. I post every single week, and then hit the little notification bell, and it will actually go ahead and notify you every single time I post, so you can try and be the first person to watch my video. That would mean a lot to me. And other than that, have a good day, guys.